Welcome to Moore's Run. This river runs almost entirely through eastern Baltimore City and eventually connects to Herring Run and Back River. We will follow Moore's Run from its beginning at Hamilton Avenue in Moore's Run Park all the way down to where it meets Back River. The river passes under Sinclair Lane, the intersection of 895 and I-95, and Pulaski Highway. Moore's Run Park is a beautiful mile-long stretch of the river. It is protected on both sides by a riparian buffer, which is a vegetated area near a body of water that helps shade and protect the water from adjacent land uses. Rainwater can pick up pollutants from lawns and roads and carry it down to streams. So riparian buffers consist of trees and other vegetation that stop the pollutants before they reach the water by bringing them down into the soil through their root systems. The soil is able to break down some of the pollutants before they reach the body of water. This buffer is important to keep the natural bodies of water clean, especially in urban areas where pollutants threaten the water quality. With clean water and a forested buffer, the larger wildlife like great blue herons are able to survive because there is healthy food for them to eat in the water and a habitat for them to live in. Although this water looks mostly clear and is protected by a buffer, there are still different kinds of pollution and litter plaguing the health of the water. Sinclair Lane runs over a very picturesque part of the river, but because of these two types of pollution, Moore's Run does not remain this beautiful. The area near Sedgate Road is so full of litter that I want to just take a minute and walk you down a section of the river to see all of the trash. There are a number of bowling balls, shopping carts, stuffed animals, bags, chairs, cans, and bottles, and there are even plastic bags hanging from all of the trees. Moore's Run then passes under the intersection of 895 and I-95. It is tunneled and then comes out and runs parallel to 95 for almost a mile. That means that any gasoline leakage from cars and other pollutants get washed into the river whenever it rains. Pulaski Highway is the last major road that traverses over Moore's Run before it connects to Back River. Right before Moore's Run meets Herring Run, it passes right through a Superfund site. Superfund is a United States federal law designed to clean up contaminated sites with hazardous materials. This means that this area has previously been incredibly contaminated with historical dumping of industrial and commercial refuse, incinerator ash, and waste oils for many years, from the 1940s to the 70s. Hopefully this contamination will be cleaned up, so that there is no more leakage into the water system that so many plants and animals survive on.